AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Basic Principles. Component. The central structural element used when building a system at the VFB level is the component. There are several specialized software component types to describe specific software components used in the different parts of the AUTOSAR layered architecture. A software component is described by a software component description, which describes the properties of the software component, like ports, port interfaces, and behavior. To be specific, there are 3 different descriptions needed to describe a software component. Every component has well-defined ports, through which the component can interact with other components. A port always belongs to exactly one component and represents a point of interaction between a component and other components. If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.